Hello and welcome to traders and investors. I'm glad to present you the daily market review prepared by analyst and expert from fx.co portal. Here we go. Today is September 13 and we're starting with major EUR USD with Dimitrios Tsoupas. Early in the European session, the EUR USD pair is trading around 1.0758, above the 21 SMA and above the 1.8 Muri level. We can see that the euro is trading within a bearish trend channel formed since August 18. On the 4-hour chart, we can see that euro-dollar pair is touching the top of the downtrend channel. It means that if a break above 1.0770 occurs, we could expect euro-dollar pair to reach the 200 EMA at 1.0852 in the next hours. In the American session, US inflation data will be published, which is expected to trigger a strong volatile movement. If the data is negative for US dollar, the instrument could cover the gap that was left at 1.0700 and could even reach the bottom of the downtrend channel around 1.0650. We can see that the Eagle indicator reached the extremely oversold zone on September 11. Since then, it has been given a positive signal. However, we can see that the euro is facing a strong resistance. If it fails to consolidate above 1.0770, we could see a technical correction towards the 1.0650 area. We expect that in the next few hours, EUR USD will consolidate above the 0.8 Muri 1.0740, which could be seen as a signal to buy, with targets at 1.0803 and 1.0864. Below 1.0740, the signal could always be negative. Below this area, the euro would be at risk of further fall in the coming days and could even reach 1.0500. Let's trade with the MACD indicator on GBP USD currency pair. Jakub Nowak would help us. Further decline became limited because the first test of 1.2463 coincided with the sharp drop of the MACD line away from zero. The second test, on the other hand, prompted a buy signal, resulting in a price increase of around 30 pips. Buy pound when the quote hits 1.2497 and take profit at the price of 1.2543. Growth will occur after strong GDP data. However, when buying, ensure that the MACD line is above zero or is just starting to rise from it. Pound can also be bought after two consecutive price tests of 1.2472, but the MACD line should be in the oversold area this time, as only by that will the market reverse to 1.2497 and 1.2543. For short positions, sell pound when the quote hits 1.2472. And take profit at the price of 1.2436. pressure will increase after weak data from the UK and strong inflation statistics in the US. However, when selling, ensure that the MACD line is below zero, or it's just starting to drop down from it. Pound can also be sold after 2 consecutive price tests of 1.2497. But the MACD line should be in an overbought area, as only by that will the market reverse to 1.2472 and 1.2436. Gold, sweet gold. We've got a trading plan for this commodity asset presented by Petar Yukimovic. Gold has been trading downside as we expected, and there is a chance for further drop due to the breakout of the channel in the background and the short-term downside trend. Petar sees potential for the further drop towards lower references. Downside objective is set at the price of 1902 and 1893. MACD oscillator is showing negative reading, which is a good sign that sellers are in control. Key resistance is set at the price of 1915. What about exotical currency pairs? NZD USD, area of Makmur describes. On the 4-hour chart of NZD USD commodity currency pairs, there is the appearance of bullish 1, 2, 3 pattern, followed by bullish Ross hook, as well as the confirmation by the 3 important levels from CCI indicator, which is managed to break above, and now stuck around the level of 0 and 100. So, in the near future, Kiwi has the potential to appreciate rally upside, where as long as there is no downward correction below the level 0.5865, then NZD USD has the potential to rally up to the level of 0.5931 as the main target, and if the momentum as well as the volatility is sufficiently supportive, it's possible that the 0.5980 level will be the next level to be tested. And finally, here's Laurie Bailey with USD JPY currency pair forecast. Let's have a look. After testing the target support at 145.90, the USD JPY pair has been rising for 2 days. The price may reach the price channel line at 147.80, but is unlikely to break above it and reach the target level of 148.50. The lack of divergence still is a hindrance to the pair's growth, and there is a good chance that the US dollar will strengthening after tonight's US inflation report. Given these conditions, the price could test 145.90 again, supported by the MACD indicator line, and only then will it be able to continue rising if the yen considers this plan. However, if the price settles below 145.90, it will continue to fall towards 144.73. On the 4-hour chart, the price has moved above the balance indicator line, its red line on graphic. Modern oscillator has crossed the zero line, indicating an uptrend. However, there's no solid confirmation yet. If the price drops below the MACD line, blue line on graphic, below the 146.70 mark, it would open up a bearish target at 145.90. That's all for today. See you online soon. Good luck.